In today's video, I'm going to compare Namecheap and Hostinger so you can figure out which one is better for your website. We'll break this down in a simple way by looking at domains, hosting, performance, ease of use, and pricing. So by the end, you'll have a much clearer idea of which platform fits your needs best. If you find this comparison helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more website and hosting tutorials just like this. Let's start with Namecheap. Namecheap is best known as a domain registrar, which means it's especially popular for registering and managing domain names. If you want to buy a domain, renew it, transfer it, or manage all your domain settings in one place, Namecheap makes that process easy. It also offers web hosting, SSL certificates, DNS management, email hosting, and other website services, but its biggest strength is still domains. One of the reasons people like Namecheap is because it keeps domain management fairly straightforward. From its control panel, you can manage things like DNS records, domain forwarding, and name servers without too much confusion. So if your main priority is simply getting a domain and having clean, simple control over it, Namecheap is a very solid choice. Now let's talk about Hostinger. Hostinger focuses much more heavily on web hosting. It offers shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, domains, and business email. The platform is designed to be beginner-friendly, which makes it appealing if you want to build and manage a website without dealing with overly technical setup steps. Hostinger also includes website building tools and features that are aimed at users who may not have much technical experience. That means if you want a smoother path from signing up to launching a website, Hostinger gives you a lot of that all in one place. For people who want hosting first and domain tools second, Hostinger is often a strong option. So which one should you choose? If your main goal is to buy and manage a domain, Namecheap is usually the better fit. It's especially good if you want simple domain management, DNS control, and an easy way to handle domain-related tasks. If your main goal is to build and host a website, Hostinger is worth considering because it offers a broader set of hosting features and beginner-friendly tools. It's often better suited for users who want a more complete website setup rather than just a domain. And here's another smart option. You can use both services together. For example, you could buy your domain from Namecheap and then host your website with Hostinger. In that setup, you would connect the domain's DNS records to your Hostinger hosting account, which gives you the benefit of Namecheap's domain management and Hostinger's hosting tools. So, in simple terms, Namecheap is strong for domain management, while Hostinger is more focused on website hosting. The better choice really depends on what you need right now. If you only need a domain, choose Namecheap. If you need hosting and want a more all-in-one website setup, Hostinger may be the better choice. That's the comparison between Namecheap and Hostinger. If this video helped you out, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.